Hi everyone, for today's video, I'm going to show you on how we are going to create charts on Google Sheets. Let's get started. So once we are here on our Google Sheet, the very first thing that we are going to do then is to input the data. So if you happen to remember, we have this data for our past tutorial. So we're just going to use this one as it is. So if you wish that we are going to create a chart on our spreadsheet, the very first thing that we are going to do is to highlight the data. So just like, for example, this one. And right after, we're going to click Insert. So we're going to click that. And if you notice, we have here chart. We're going to click this one. So basically, a chart was generated. But then again, we can also change the kind of chart that we want to have. So we're just going to click this one. So if you wish that it would be on a column chart, so we're going to click this, and basically it will change. Or another, if we wish that we are going to have the line chart, so we can also have that. And we can also use the pie chart if we wish that we are going to use that. So once everything is set, we can also aggregate it. And basically, we can also adjust in terms of the labeling. So we can click Customize so that in terms of the slice, in terms of the axis, in terms of the titles as well. So basically, you can just go around and check the available features in order for you to come up with an outstanding chart. So there you have it. That's how we are going to create a chart on Spreadsheet. I hope this video was helpful. Until the next one.